Hey guys, welcome to the lab. I'm gonna do a quick video right here for you guys to be behind the Brims episode for Burdeens Rookie of the Year pack, the second part of it. Jerry and the team over there at Burdeens dropped the next 4 hats in this pack, and I wanted to give you guys an exclusive look. They just dropped in their pop-up location in Chicago, and these are going to be available online very soon, so wanted to give you guys a quick peek. So this is the St. Louis. This is modeled for Albert Pujols, and then the Dodgers for Hideo Nomo, green under. The Twins for Chuck Knobloch. Metallic there. And then the Phillies for Scott Rowland. And each one of them comes with their own pin and rookie card. So this is the Nomo. This is the Knobloch. So for all you card collectors out there and pin collectors, it's a cool little added touch from Burdeens. But yeah, this is part 2 of the Rookie of the Year pack. Subscribe for more content. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And yeah, until next time, stay fitted.
Brought to you by VFTV.